Hey, it's Par64 guy, and today I'm going to be looking at installing one of these car mounts. This is actually more of a product review. We had bought a screen protector from this company, and they offered to, hey, we'll send you this free car mount if you'd be willing to review it. So I was like, hey, what the heck? I don't have a car mount, and let's take a look. So mount came in the mail. There it is. So let's take it out of the box and see what we got. Let's start by opening the box. Okay, so we have our base, our mount. It's supposed to be a platform. Let's see. Okay, so car mounted dashboard with curved surface. Warranty and instructions. Alright, let's take a look at the instructions and also see where to mount this. So we'll start with some assembly. And you can see this has quite a few different options for flexibility of where this can go. So it's pretty nice. I like that. Little gentle snap that on. Okay. All right. And all right, I think I settled in on where I'm going to put it. Over here seems to be a good compromise. So I've got the camera about eye level, and you could see that if the mount is there, the amount that it impedes the visual field is pretty minimal, because it lines up about with the edge of the dashboard. So I think that should be a good spot for it. It's relatively flat as well. And so let's go ahead and mount it. Alright, so we'll start by cleaning the surface a little bit. Get all the dust and stuff off. Probably not a good idea to do this on a hot summer day because it's toasty in here. It also doesn't really recommend direct sunlight. Unfortunately, what am I going to do? The dashboard gets sun, so I'll probably have to look into getting one of those sun shields for the windshield. Okay, so because this is a textured surface, I'm going to use the car mount square plate. So I have to just fix this. They give you a spare. It's definitely probably about 100, 110 in here. It's warm. Okay. I'll hug it a little more towards this side. Okay. Good, so I can actually put it up there, put it down here. So what I'll have it is like this. Now, unfortunately, I can't actually show it with the phone because my phone is my camera for my YouTube videos, so until I can get a real camera. But I think that should work. that out there, and there we go. This shot is being filmed with the phone mounted in the camera mount, and I'd say overall it was an easy install. It was quick. The unit itself seems to be pretty flexible, and it was easy to put the phone in and out of it. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to give it some time, some run time, and see how well things work. Make sure it stays, make sure it doesn't break, and you know, I'll update my review. But for now, I'm going to give it 5 stars. I think it's a pretty decent for the price. I think it's a pretty decent mount. So we'll see what happens. And until then, be sure to check out my other videos, all my do-it-yourself videos. If you have any other things you'd like to see me do, any other projects or any other products you'd like to have me check out, let me know, and I'd be happy to take a peek for you. I figured I'd conclude the review of this phone mount by taking a little bit of a video while the car's in motion, so you can see it's seems to hold the phone pretty steady. So I think it's a pretty good, you know, for the money. It's inexpensive, but it does the job. It seems to hold pretty well. It's been exposed to the blazing sun. The adhesive's held on, the suction cup's held on. So I'm going to give it a 5-star review. I think it's pretty good. So, until next time, it's Part 64 Guy. See you later.